PC sir. Okay, my dear students, and most of my students and my friends and my well wishers are asking about speed maths and arithmetic. Okay, and speed maths means and simple mathematics techniques are the multiplication, how to find the square roots or squares of the 2-digit number, 3-digit number. Okay, and most of my students are asking because these simple techniques are very useful in academic as well as in the competitive examinations also. So for that, and I am today starting one math technique, that is how to find the square of 2-digit number in very simple way. Just within 5 to 10 seconds, just we are going to find the square of 2-digit numbers. So it is the first trick I am going to give on the board. Okay, that is square of 2-digit numbers. Square of 2-digit number in very shortcut way. Okay, so my dear students, see here, first one is 32 square, 32 into 32. And this question just we will find by 3 simple steps. Okay, step number 1. Step 1. Here, what is the unit size there? 2. 2 square. 2 square is equal to 4. Right. It is the first step. Then next step 2. What is step 2? Just multiply these digits. Here, what are the digits you are looking? 3 and 2. Okay? 3 into 2. Into 3 into 2, that is what? 6. And just double it. 3 into 2 into 2. 3 2s are 6 and 6 2s are 12. It is the second step. And step 3. And here what is the first there? Tens digits 3 is there, no? 3 square. What is 3 square? That is 9. Now I am going to write the square of 32. Okay? In very simple way. The answer I am writing here. See all of you. First here 4 is there, write 4. Then what is the step 2? 12 is there. So what is the step here? 12 is there. Just only you write 2. And here 1 is there, no? Just that is carrying here. We are adding 1 to this one. Okay? 9 plus 1. What is 9 plus 1? 10. Clear? So 32 square is equal to 1024. Clear? So once again I am explaining. See, first 2 square. What is there here? We need to digit 2 only, no? 2 square. 2 square is equal to 4. Then next step number 2. Just multiply these digits. 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. And again double it. 3 2s are 6. 6 2s are 12. And step number 3. What is the tens digits there here? 3. And what is the square of 3? 3 square is equal to 9. Okay, now you have to write the answer. So first you write 4 in the units place. Then next 12 we got no second step. You take the units 1, 2. And here 1 is remaining now. That is carrying to next step forward. Carrying forward. That is 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So 1024. Understood? Okay. One more example we will take. Right? 56 square. So what is the step 1? See step number 1. 6 square. That is 36. And step number 2. And what are the other digits? 5 into 6. 5 into 6 into. That is just you double it, no? 5 6 are 30. 32 are 60. And step number 3. Okay? That is 5 square. What is the value of 5 square? 5 square is equal to 25. Okay, now I am writing the answer. The square of 56. See, observe all of you. First I am writing 6 in the units place. And here 3 is there now. That is carry forward. Just we are adding 3 here. Right? Now here 60. 60 plus 3? 63. What is in the units place? 3. Just I am taking here. 63. And units place 3. I am writing here. The next 6 remaining now. Again that is carry forward. 6. 25 plus 6. What is 25 plus 6? 31. So 56 whole square. That is equal to 3136. Simply write the answer. 3136. Okay? And the square of 32 square, that is 1024. Similarly, we will take one more example. 72 square. And just number by number I am increasing the values for better understanding. Okay children? Right. See, 72 square. What is 72 square? Step 1. step number 1, 2 square is equal to 4. Then next step number 2, okay, 7 into 2 into just doubling. 7 2s are 14, 14 2s are 28. And step number 3, see here, okay, 7 square. 7 square. What is 7 square? That is 49. Now I am writing the answer. The square of 72. 72 square is equal to, here I am writing directly. So first we will take 4. Okay. Then what is the next number? 28. 28 means, and just in the, what is in the units place? 8 only. Just you keep 8. And here 2 is remaining, no? That is carry forward. Plus 2 here. Okay. 49 plus 2. 49 plus 2 how much? 51. So the square of 72, that is equal to 5184. Just for better understanding, here I am explaining step by step. Step 1, step 2, step 3. And without writing the steps also, directly you can write the answer in a simple manner. Just the remaining 3 questions you are looking now. And directly I am writing. See here how I am writing 66 square and 85 square and 98 square. Okay, see 66 square. And what is there here? First one 6. 6 square is what? 36. And directly write it. And next 6 into 6. 6 6 are 36. 36 2s are 72. Just you are doubling, no? 6 into 6 and again doubling. 6 6 are 36. 36 2s are 72. Then next here 6 is there again. 6 square again 36. Now I am writing the answer. See, first I am taking 6. Then here 3 carry forward here. 72 plus 3, 75. Writing 5 here. Then here 7 carry forward. 36 plus 7 how much? 43. So 4356. Just it will take 5 to 6 seconds. Understand? As well as 85 square. Okay. First step 5 square. Understanding? 5 square, that is 25. 5 square is 25. Then second step, 8 5 is a 40. 40 means double it again. 8 5 is a 40 and 42 is a 80. Then next third step, 8 square. What is 8 square? 64. Clear? Right? And now I am writing the answer. First write 5 in the units place. Again 2 there, that is carry forward here. 80 plus 2. 80 plus 2, 82. Again 8 carry forwarding. And 64 plus 8. That is how much? 72. Clear, all of it. And the last one, 98 square. Of course, it is a big number. 98, 99. Almost all 98, 99. Or the last 2 digit numbers, no? Right. 98 square. First step, 8 square. 8 square is how much? 54. Then next 9 8 72. 72 double it. 72 into 2 double it. How much you are getting? 144. Then next 9 square. What is 9 square? 9 square is 81. This one is very important. Compared to the remaining all the question, just it is different. Okay, you got here 3 digits. 8 square 64. 9 8 72. 72 2s are 144. And 9 square is again 81. Now I am writing the answer. Observe carefully all of you. And first digit is 4. Then next 6 carry forwarding here. 144 plus 6. 144 plus 6. How much? 150. 150 means what is the unit? 0. And again 15 is carry forward. Clear? 15 is carry forward. Then next 81 plus 15. What is 81 plus 15? 96. Understand? So 98 square is equal to 9604. Okay, my dear students, all of you understand this one. By using this simple mathematics techniques, and we are saving lot of time and lot of paperwork also. And these methods are most useful in competitive examinations. You are facing any competitive exams or you are going to write in any other exams. Okay, these techniques are most useful. Okay, and not only this one, what is the square of the 3-digit numbers and how to multiply 2-digit number to another 2-digit number, multiplication of 3-digit numbers, and these topics we are going to discuss in the next class. Okay, my dear students, and if you like this video, so please share it and please subscribe my channel, that is Maths for All with PC Sir. Okay, in the next topic we are going to meet in the next class. Okay, thank you everybody.